Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: phone, watch, and permission settings. First, confirm Golfshot is installed on both devices and that location is allowed. This gives accurate yardages. Next, open Golfshot on your watch so it can download nearby courses. Make sure cellular or your paired iPhone is available. Otherwise, preload the course on your phone. Once done, tap the course and choose your tee box so the app starts tracking holes and distances immediately. Now you begin the round. Start it on your watch and double-check the tee and hole number. Use Auto Shot to automatically detect shots, or tap to log them manually. Auto Shot speeds play, but manual gives control. Check the hole map and green view to plan your approach. The watch shows carry and total distances plus suggested clubs. If the pin position is off, adjust it on the watch so your numbers stay accurate as you move through each hole. To finish, end the round on the watch and let it sync to your phone. That saves the full scorecard and stats. Once synced, review the round on your iPhone for strokes, GUR, and shot dispersion. Share or export if you need a coach to see it. If distances look off, first toggle location services and restart the watch, then re-download the course. Recalibrating GPS or updating the app usually fixes persistent errors. Try those before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.